Welcome to ShortView Trading. It's your morning market hit for Tuesday, August the 25th. What matters today for traders? Well, rotation got going in earnest yesterday as the cyclical parts of the global financial markets outperformed, in particular the tech-heavy areas. For once, tech lagged with the Nasdaq 100 up around 0.6% on the session, the S&P 500 up around 1%. And more importantly, the cyclical sectors of the S&P 500, financials, industrials, materials, up just shy of 2% or even almost close to 3% on the session. And that, of course, wasn't just confined to the US market. We saw that overseas as well with the likes of the DAX, an area, a trade we've been recommending on the long side in the last couple of days, performing very nicely. Also, along with that, other key country indices in Europe and overnight in Asia, key cyclical indices like the Nikkei, the Kospi also doing well. So cyclicals are starting to outperform, tech's taking a breather, and if you look at some of our tech specific models on the Nasdaq, that seems to make sense. It's had a good run. It's now overbought, as you can see in the chart in front of you now. And it's at the top end of its uptrend channel in the Nasdaq 100 that we've been talking about over recent weeks. So tech's had a good run. It seems to be pausing for breath. Tesla, for example, one of the darlings of the recent run, gave back some of its gains yesterday after such a strong run. We showed you that chart yesterday morning. And against that, we're seeing cyclical strength, and we'd expect that to continue because of the way the models are positioned. So DAX specific models have been on buy and either remain on buy or just bouncing from those buy levels. You can see a couple we're putting up in front of you now. Over and above that, I think liquidity will continue to be plentiful and markets will move in anticipation of a likely very dovish speech from Fed Chair Powell on Thursday when he goes through the year-long monetary policy review that the Fed's been undertaking. It's expected that'll be dovish. The review will encourage more liquidity from the central bank, and all of which I think will add to the upside momentum in markets. So markets anticipate, they buy on the rumor, sell on the fact, and I think that buy on the rumor type environment should add to the upside for cyclicals over the course of the rest of this week into that speech on Thursday. And then dependent on the outcome of that speech, there may well be sell on the fact, or maybe there'll be continued upward momentum. For full details on how we're playing this market, please see today's Daily Rag available via the website to subscribers. So what are we watching today? Well, there's plenty going on, including German IFO, which will be out at 9 o'clock this morning, London time. But housing data out of the States later on, as well as Conference Board consumer confidence data. So that's it from us. That's your morning market hit for Tuesday, August the 25th. Thank you for listening. Please do subscribe on YouTube. Simply search under ShortView Trading or follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and or LinkedIn. Thank you for listening. Stay safe. Trade well.